So let's see here. I didn't get a chance to come on here yesterday, guys. I got busy, but yesterday morning during the New York session here, took a trade in GBP, JPY, and EUR USD. These were not good setups, guys. It was getting closer to the end, closer to the afternoon, and I just basically took the two best trades that I could find at that point, and I really shouldn't have did that. Okay. And you could see here both of those trades lost. Then today I was a little more pickier, right? And I took the trades in EUR NZD and CAD JPY. So this is EUR NZD. You could see right here this green diamond. This green triangle is where I got in, and then the red triangle is where I sold to get out, right? And so on that candle there, so you could see how price just quickly moved up, and we got our 1 to 2 risk to reward. So a 1 to 2 win on this trade here, right? And then the other one is CADJPY. This was a sell. Let me just real fast show you EUR NZD here on TradingView. So here's our alert going off right here, right? That is our indicator, our ATH Flow indicator, and you have to be a customer of our company and in order to get access to everything in our community, and that is our community indicator right here, the ATH Flow. This is what we use to alert us to come to a chart. It's not a buy or sell signal, as I've said many times before. It just lets us know, hey, there's a potential opportunity in this pair. We're on the 1 minute time frame trading. We're watching all of the Forex pairs. I think I have 22 of them. I have alerts set for 20 of them. I'm sorry. I have alerts set for 20 Forex pairs. So I can't possibly scroll through and watch them for a 3-hour session with the New York session where I'm trading from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Eastern time. So we set the alerts, and the ATH Flow tells us, hey, there's a potential opportunity. You need to go check it out. We need to look at the structure a little bit. And if everything works out there, then we need to wait to see if we can get a trend line paint with our Lux Algo trend lines with breaks. That's right here. And then we get the break of that trend line with a continuation candle. And that is where you would want to enter the trade. You could see where I got in at, and then boom, price just shoots up. And guys, it just keeps on going. I mean, this was a 1 to 2, but it could have held on for almost a 1 to 6 here. Okay. But of course, we're going to take our 2 and get out because we don't know what's going to happen after that. Now, if you have some kind of strategy where you scale out of a trade, that's fine as well. But I would not do anything until you're up by 2 times your risk, right? That might be 2%, it might be 1%, whatever it is. You may only be risking 1/4 of 1% on a trade. But the idea is I would not touch the trade until you're up 2 times the risk. Okay. Now for me, I just get out. Now maybe you have a strategy or you want to work on a strategy where maybe you exit half the position, you move the stop loss to break even, and you let it go. You could do that as well, right? For me, I just get out at a 1 to 2, right? That's the easiest thing to do. If I'm winning 50% of my trades, I can make money all day long if I get out at a 1 to 2, right? So I risk 1 to get 2. Whatever that 1% is, right? Whatever that 1 is, it might be a 0.5%, it might be 1%. Some people might risk 2%. I don't advocate that, but some people do. Anyway, you can see it just keeps going, right? Now, if we look at CADJPY here, right, we got in that right here about 10:15 a.m. on the 10:15 a.m. candle. Price did go into drawdown here. It got fairly close to our invalidation level, didn't hit it, and then boom, it made a quick move down, and then we're out at 11:04 a.m. So we're in these trades for less than an hour. Those are the best trades, guys. The ones you're in and out of in less than an hour, right? And hopefully with a win, not with a loss. Most of the times when I lose, price goes right against me, and I'm out of the trade within 15 minutes. But here we were, we were fortunate enough to get 2 wins. So this is what this looks like on trading view here, right? Our indicator went off here, right? Indicator went off 10:13 a.m. Again, I wait till 10 a.m. to take trades. Okay, so you could see there's probably an entry here as well, but I like to wait till after 10 a.m. Okay, and then if there's news, I wait even longer. Like yesterday, there was news at 10:15, so I had to wait a little longer. Usually, if there's news, the news is at 8:30, 9, 9:30, 10. So getting in after 10 is usually safe. So again, we entered, there was our entry there. We got in a little bit lower, right? Not quite an ideal entry. Again, price does move against us, and then boom, right down to take profit. So those are 2 trades from today. And again, I did lose 2 trades yesterday, right? The last couple weeks, I've been winning 50% of my trades. But again, those 2 trades I took yesterday were not good trades. I should not have taken them, but I wasn't patient. I wanted to get in a trade, and that's what happens when you do that, right? I should have just walked away yesterday, shut the alarms off, and then I would be in much better shape right now, with my account. So anyway, that's the 2, right? One lost 2 yesterday, won 2 today. Again, I'm just looking for 1 or 2 trades a day. New York session, 10 a.m. Eastern time to 1 p.m. Eastern time. Just looking for 1 or 2 trades a day, and that's it. What I find in my experience is the more trades I take, the higher my loss rate gets, right? You just need those 1 or 2 A plus setups. Yesterday, I took a couple B setups, not very good, and I lost them. Today, I was fortunate enough to get in a couple A plus setups, and I was fortunate enough to have them win. Okay, guys, so if you want more information on this strategy, I got some videos you can watch. Just let me know. Also, if you want to try out membership with our company that we're with, so you can get access to this indicator, get access to our Discord channel with all the training in it, let me know. I'll send you the link. Again, you can pay for the membership. There's a 7-day money back guarantee. If you try this out on demo and you don't like it, then you can ask for your money back, and as long as you're within that 7-day window, they'll give it to you. Again, let me say at the end, I forgot to mention at the beginning, I'm not an investment advisor. I'm not trained to give you investment advice. Everything I share on this video is for educational purposes only. Have a great day.